ChikuStories.
One warm afternoon, a little bee was flying around, feeling very thirsty. She finally found a spring, but to reach the water, she had to carefully walk. The grass was too slippery, and the bee fell into the water. A gentle dove, resting on a tree branch nearby, saw the bee in trouble and wanted to help. The dove plucked a leaf and dropped it into the water. The bee carefully climbed on the leaf. It floated her safely back to the shore. Just as the bee reached the ground, a hunter crept in quietly and aimed his slingshot at the dove. The bee zoomed up and stung the hunter's hand, dropping his slingshot. Thanks to the bee, the dove flew away safely. Moral of the story: kindness always comes back to you.